Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, the ground shifted in Latin America's largest market. Brazil's regulatory agency, ANVISA, has just launched its digital health fast-track program. This new pathway specifically targets AI-powered diagnostic software, promising to reduce approval timelines from nearly 2 years down to just 90 days. This move follows a broader trend in the region, similar to the successful abbreviated pathways we've seen in Mexico. The goal is clear: to make Brazil a dominant hub for digital health innovation and accelerate patient access to cutting-edge technology. However, the real story lies buried in the details of the new requirements. While the timeline is shorter, the scrutiny is sharper and more localized than ever. The first major hurdle is data privacy. ANVISA is now intensely focused on compliance with Brazil's General Data Protection Law, the LGPD. This means AI software companies must provide exhaustive documentation on how patient data is processed, stored, and protected, often exceeding standard GDPR or HIPAA requirements. The second challenge is clinical validation. A CE mark or FDA clearance is no longer enough to guarantee entry. Companies must now submit clinical data proving their algorithms' efficacy and safety, specifically on the Brazilian population. This is a critical distinction aimed at eliminating biases and ensuring the technology works for their diverse demographic makeup. Let's consider a real-world example of this challenge. Imagine a European company has a revolutionary AI tool for detecting skin cancer from images. It has stellar performance data from European clinics and holds a CE mark. Under the old system, they would face a long but straightforward process. Under the new fast track, they might apply expecting a 90-day approval. Instead, they face a rejection. The reason is that their validation data lacks sufficient inclusion of Brazil's diverse range of skin tones, making the algorithm's performance in the local context unverified. This isn't just a documentation issue, it's a fundamental strategic oversight. This new program is a tremendous opportunity, but it's a minefield for companies that arrive with a generic, one-size-fits-all global dossier. The strategy for success has changed from simply translating documents to proving local applicability. It requires a deep understanding of local clinical realities, data laws, and regulatory expectations. Companies that proactively gather local data and build their submission around Brazilian-specific needs will be the ones who truly benefit from this new accelerated pathway. For companies looking to navigate these new regulations in Brazil or other LATAM markets, expert guidance is crucial. You can learn more by emailing info@pureglobal.com or by visiting the Pure Global website.